Hello everyone, my name is Harshvardhan Yadav. Today's date is 28 March 2022. Today's topic is garbage collection in Java. Garbage collection in a Java process by which Java programs perform automatic memory management. Java programs compile to bytecode that can be run on Java virtual machine or JVM in short. When Java programs runs on JVM, objects are created on the heap, which portion of the memory dedicated to the program eventually some of the object will no longer needed. This garbage collector finds this unused object and deletes them free of memory. What is the garbage collection? In C and CPP, a programmer is responsible for both the creation and destruction of the object. Usually, programmer neglects the destruction of the useless objects due to the neglections at a certain point. Sufficient memory may not be available for create an object, and the entire program will terminate abnormally, causing out of memory errors. But in Java, programmer need to care for these all objects which no longer in use. Garbage collector destroyed these objects. The main objective of the garbage collector is to free up memory by destroying unreachable objects. Then the garbage collector is best example of the domain thread, as it is always running in the background. How does garbage collector in Java actually works? Java garbage collection is an automatic process. Automatic garbage collection in their process of looking at heap memory, then identifying which objects are in use and which are not, after deleting unused objects. And in use objects or referred objects means that some of part of program still maintains a pointer to the object. An unused and unreferred object is no longer referred by any part of your program. So the memory used by the unreferred object can be reclaimed. The programmer does not need to mark object to be deleting explicitly. Then garbage collection implementation lives in Java. Then types of activities in Java garbage collection. Two types of garbage collection activity usually happen in Java. First is minor or incremental garbage collection. And second is major or full garbage collection. First, minor or incremental garbage collection. First one, minor or incremental garbage collection. It is said to have occurred when unreachable objects in young generation heap memory are removed. Second is major or full garbage collection. It is said to have occurred when objects that survived in minor garbage collection are copied into the old generation or permanent generator heap memory are removed. When compared to young generation, garbage collection happens less frequently in old generation. Important concept related to garbage collection in Java. First is unreachable object. An object is said to unreachable if doesn't contain any reference to it. Also note that objects which are part of the island of isolation so also unreachable. Suppose integer I is equal to new integer, then the integer object is unreachable via the reference I is equal to null. Then second is eligibility of garbage collection. An object is said to be eligible to GC garbage collection is unreachable if it is unreachable after I is equal to null. Integer object for in area is suitable for garbage collection in the move the object image. Overall, this is the garbage collection. Thank you so much.